Today in this video, we have covered Eversewn Sparrow 15 Embroidery Machine Overview. The Eversewn Sparrow 15 Embroidery Machine is a reliable mechanical sewing machine designed for beginners and hobbyists. It offers essential features for straightforward sewing projects while being durable, user-friendly, and affordable. Features number 1, built-in stitches. It includes 32 built-in stitches covering basic, decorative, and buttonhole options for various needs. Number 2, adjustable stitch length and width. Provides flexibility to customize your stitches for different fabrics and designs. Number 3, automatic needle threader. Speeds up threading, reducing frustration and saving time. Number 4, free arm design. Perfect for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other small, hard-to-reach areas. Number 5, compact and sturdy build. Lightweight yet durable, suitable for portability and everyday use. Pricing: the Eversewn Sparrow. 15 costs around $150 to $300. Making it an affordable choice for beginners seeking quality and functionality. Digitizings.com offers the best custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services online. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or credit debit card. If you need our services at discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit website digitizings.com.